Are you in need of a portable yet robust option to combat the rising temperatures in the summer months? In need of a solution to assist in cooling down the temperature to ensure a comfortable workday? Then stay with us, we've got you covered. Hi, DK here, and today I'd like to give you a run through of the features of the Evolution R240FAN-Li, an 18-volt lithium-ion cordless 240mm work fan. The fan features two speed settings that can be instantly adjusted to suit your location. The fan really is an essential piece of kit to aid in cooling your workspace in the hot summer months. For added flexibility, there are two orange knobs on each side of the tool that can be loosened to allow for effective adjustment of the head. This 360-degree rotation gives the ability to direct the airflow to the desired angle that suits your needs. The maximum airflow emitted is 264 litres per second. There's a handy hook situated here on the tool. This allows the ability to attach the fan above the working area. It's ideal for use in a variety of locations, such as on the site or in the workshop. So there we have it, the Evolution R240FAN-Li, an 18-volt lithium-ion cordless 240mm work fan. A great option for assisting in keeping your workplace cool, whether it's the attic, the shed, or even outdoors. That's it for me today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you again on the next one.